Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Shohei Ohtani. So first let's get started with the top of the baseball cap. So we're going to start with the brim. We're just going to curve this line around and down on the right. Let's start on the corner. We're going to round this out now. So we're going to round this out, bringing that back up, just following the shape of our line on the bottom. Now from here, let's close off the brim of the cap completely. So we're going to, again, curve this line around and down on the right. Let's draw on the top of the hat. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the top on both sides, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's round the corner out here. So starting back on this line, we're going to round this out, bringing this over and through towards the center. And then we're going to move across on the right hand side and replicate that, bringing that around, blending that back in together in the middle. On the top of the hat here, we're just going to curve this line around and down on the right. And now let's draw on the LA Dodgers symbol on the top. So we're going to draw in a straight line directly on the top. Let's draw in two straight lines that come down, and we're going to end those at the same height. We're going to draw in two more straight lines that come in, and we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's draw two more straight lines coming directly down towards the bottom, again ending those at the same height for the L. We're going to bring this line out on the left and then back down. And then we're going to bring this line through on the bottom. On the top, we're going to draw in a very small straight line right in the middle there. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the top. Let's draw in another straight line coming across towards the right. Let's bring this diagonal line down on the right. Now let's bring this line out and then back up. Again, moving this line across towards the right, back down. And then we're going to move this line back in on the side. In the middle now, we're going to move across. So these are going to be lined up at the same height. We're going to draw in another straight line right in the middle, just leaving a gap. Let's move up above. We're going to draw in the triangle right in the middle here for the center of the A. On both sides of this line, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to do the same thing on the lines on the outside as well, just ending those at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out on both sides, just leaving a gap in the center. And then again, we're just going to draw this straight line that comes down towards the bottom on both sides, just ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom with another straight line from left to right. Now let's move underneath. We're going to draw in some of the hair. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back up. We're going to do the same on the left. So starting from that corner, curving this line out and then in towards the brim of the hat. We're going to draw one more on the right-hand side. So over on the side here, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back up towards the top. Now let's draw in the shape of the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down, curving that in. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Let's close this off on the bottom now. So we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. We're going to follow this all the way through, blending that together on the right-hand side. Let's draw in his eyes now. So stepping over from the center, we're going to come across on the left, and we're going to curve this line up and down on the side. We're going to step over from the center again, lining this up at the same height on the right and replicating that. Let's thicken up this line on the top. So from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and down on the right. And we're just going to color that part in black. Let's move underneath for the pupil. We're going to draw in a circle. So we're going to connect that, bringing this around and through towards the inside. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now on the top left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And now from here, we're just going to color in that pupil black. Let's draw on the eyebrow. So above the eye on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the left-hand side and replicating that. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back, around, and down on the side. And we're going to do the same thing on the left. Now for the nose, right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the smile. So we're going to draw in 2 corner brackets on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in the ear. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left hand side. We're going to step across on the right hand side, again drawing in another half circle. For the detail inside the ear, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's close that off underneath, curving this around and back through towards the bottom. Now for the hair on the left and right hand side, we're just going to bring that up towards the hat. Now let's move down. We're going to draw on the jersey. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the torso. We're going to do the same thing for the right, and we're going to end that at the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom with another curved line from left to right, bringing that all the way over. Let's close off the shoulders now. So we're going to arch this over and down on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the center. We're going to follow that line. So we're just going to draw in 2 more lines to create our stripe on the sleeve of the arm there. Let's draw in the Dodger symbol in the middle. So we're going to draw in the letter D over here. Beside this, we're going to curve this around and in. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line down. From that point, we're going to arch this back through and in towards that corner. Now on the left-hand side, arching this around and back up. And then underneath, just curving that over and through, leaving a small gap. Let's draw on the O. So we're going to come down on the bottom, curving this over and through, leaving a small gap, curving that back around and down. In the middle, we're going to curve this around and down, doing the same thing on the bottom in the opposite direction. Let's draw in the letter D now. So we're going to curve this line over. We're going to bring this line up, back down. Underneath, we're going to curve this line across. In the center here, let's draw in a diagonal line coming up. We're going to follow that through backwards, bringing that in. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve that line over. For the letter G, we're just going to curve this line back across and then back up and down. And then we're going to curve that line over again. In the center, we're going to draw in a small oval. Let's draw on the letter E. We're going to bring this line up and then back down. And then moving underneath, we're going to leave a gap here for the G, bringing that up. And then we're going to curve this line over and through towards the side. Let's draw on the letter R. So we're going to bring this line up, through, back down. We're going to do the same on the bottom, bringing this over. And then we're just going to bring this all the way up on a diagonal. We're going to draw on the letter E, so a diagonal line coming out and then a small curved line on the top. Now let's continue with the S. So we're going to curve this line up, through, and then back down. And then we're going to curve this line over. We're going to do the same underneath, curving this line out and then back in, leaving a small gap. Let's close off this diagonal line on the top. So we're going to bring this diagonal line over on the left-hand side. We're going to continue that as we come up from the right-hand side of the G, bringing that in towards the S. Let's move underneath now. On the left, we're going to curve this line down. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line over towards the right. Let's drop below that, curving this around and up. And then to the side of this, we're just going to bring this line over, back in. And then on the bottom here, a straight line across with followed by a curved line underneath. And now we have the Dodgers symbol in the middle. Now let's move up. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. You're going to do the same on the right, arching that over and through, connecting that together. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to round that corner out, bringing that down. And then we're just going to follow that through all the way underneath. Let's do the same on the left. So we're going to curve this line around and up on the side. On the right, we're going to bring this line up and then curving that around and over. Let's continue that through as we come down underneath. We're going to draw in a small shirt right in the center here, just curving that across. Now from here on the top, let's draw in a circle. We're going to move down, doing that 2 more times for the buttons. Now let's draw in the leg. So right in the center here, coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On both sides, we're going to curve this line out. Now dropping underneath, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the side. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line back up towards the side. Let's draw on the belt. We're going to draw on a straight line that comes down on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. On the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw on a straight line that comes up. And then right in the middle, we're just going to draw in a sideways rectangle. Let's move across on both sides again, drawing in a straight line that comes down. And then again from that corner, just curving that line out. Let's draw in the leg. So we're going to curve this line out towards the side. For the shoe, we're going to curve this line down again for the back of the cleat. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that up. Now from here, we're just going to curve this line down, following that through, bringing that over. And then let's close off the side of the leg by bringing this line up towards the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoe now, curving this line around and through towards the side. Now let's draw in the laces. So we're going to arch this line over towards the middle on both sides. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back up towards the top. And then from here, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines following that shape. We're going to do the same as we come over on the left shoe there. Coming down underneath now, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines in the back. And then we're going to draw in 2 more curved lines closer to the front. Now we just have to draw in our arms. So we're going to draw on the arm of the bat first. So we're going to come over on the left on the top, curving this line out, moving through on the bottom, replicating that, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off now with a curved line from left to right. On the side here, we're going to curve this line around, through, and then back down on the inside. Let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to curve this around and across. And then we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal, getting wider at the base. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line over. We're going to draw on the bat on the left, so we're going to bring another diagonal line coming out, getting wider as we come in towards the bottom. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Stepping over on the side, we're going to arch this line up. Moving over again, let's replicate that, bringing that around and then in towards the wrist. Let's move over now. On the right-hand side, we're going to have this arm facing up. So we're going to leave a small gap, curving this line across. And then we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming in. Let's come down on the inside. We're going to curve this line down and over towards the side. For the wrist, we're going to arch this line around down, and then through towards the top. Let's draw in the pinky here. So we're going to curve this line over, moving this line up, and then back down on the side. Let's come through towards the top here. We're going to curve this line around, connecting that together, bringing this up and back down. Let's draw in the baseball in his hand. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle right in the middle. And then closing off the back portion of the hand, we're just going to curve this line down. And that is it. That's how you draw Shohei Ohtani. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.